Now, guys, I don't know if you've ever been driving for dollars before, but it sucks. Okay, you got to get in your car. Your neck hurts from all the houses you're looking around. You got a headache. I mean, it's intense. I know. I've done it for hours and hours and hours before when I first started. I don't really do it that much anymore. But when I go on a walk with my wife, I like to mark properties. Okay, but if you drive for dollars for more than 2 hours, your neck's starting to hurt, your head hurts, your back hurts. Even if you go with a buddy, it gets exhausting. Me and my business partner, I mean, we would go together and we were just headaches. We couldn't really do anything else for the rest of the day. Maybe we were weak. Who knows? But I thought it was tough. So this is a better way to do it. You can get more properties done. You don't have to waste gas money. You don't have to get in the car. You don't have to be in the hot sun or whatever, or in the icy snow in the winter. This is how you do it. All right, let's go. So you want to get a deal? You need to get some leads. How are you going to get some leads? You're going to generate them through driving for dollars. Now, I'm in Utah. I'm in a wholesale nationwide. I can do a deal anywhere. But right now, for this example, we're going to go to where I live. Okay. So we're going to go to Salt Lake City, Utah. Okay. So here it is, Salt Lake City, Utah. So it's going to bring us to that area. All right. After I press search. Okay, cool. So we're in Salt Lake City, Utah right now. All right. I'm going to zoom out a little bit because, guys, I live in an area like a suburb or outside of Salt Lake. And I know there's an area right by where I live that's kind of, I don't want to say crappy, but it's older homes. It's called White City. All right. White City. It's an interesting name. I don't know why they call it White City. Maybe you can speculate, but there it is. So White City. So what I want to do now, I want to take this little right here, this little guy, and drag it on to the place where I want to start driving for dollars. So I'm going to go on in this area. Let's look for some crappy houses together, right, everybody? So I'm driving. I'm in virtual driver's seat. Okay. Okay. So right here, let's see if we got some houses that look like they need some work. That one looks okay. I mean, look at this. They're obviously not taking care of their parking strip, but most people aren't in Utah. So I would honestly maybe even mark that. Let's do that. So what you do is you just click on it on your computer. I got the Vibe board. I click on it and I save it. And you're going to save it to a specific list. Okay. And the list I'm going to save it to is going to be the Driving for Dollars White City. Okay. So now I know what this list is coming from. And then the tag I'm going to use, usually you use the tag as the specific list you're hitting. So this is a Driving for Dollars list. Let's see where it is. Driving for Dollars. Okay. So I'm going to save it to this list. So now just within a second, I was able to add one potentially distressed property to my list. Okay. So this is the first step. You identify distressed properties, and then you market to them with a cold call, a door knock, whatever. Okay. So let's do a little bit more. I mean, that was very simple. I hope you guys all got that. So we're in the area. We're driving for dollars virtually. All right. So let's see if there's anything else, any other crappy houses in this neighborhood. I'm just looking. I'm looking for tall grass, broken windows, maybe some homes that look like they need a paint job. What do you guys think about this guy? You think that's an indicator? Probably not. He's just mowing a lawn. Maybe that's a good thing that he's mowing his lawn. It means he's taking care of it. All right. Ooh, snap, guys. I think we found one. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is a good example. House right here. It's got like a air conditioning unit about to fall off the house. You got grass hasn't been taken care of. They're not watering it. What the heck is this thing? This is like a ghetto gazebo. They're just trying to build that and they just gave up on it, I guess. I don't know what that is. So this would be an example of a property we hit. And look, it's got the ugly door, screen door, windows are old. I mean, that doesn't necessarily mean this person wants to sell, but it's a good indicator that this person might want to sell, right? New roof looks kind of new. So what do I do? Simple. You click it, you save it. What list do you save it to? Obviously, the one that we're talking about, the Driving for Dollars White City outside of Salt Lake. You're going to go to tag, Driving for Dollars list. And then you're going to have after you do this and by the way, I told you Driving for Dollars was tough on my neck. Right now, this is tough on my arm. Right here, having to lift it up like this, but I'm in this position for this call. So, but anyway, a little bit of a workout right here. That's probably not even a bad thing that it's a workout.